In 2026, Harley-Davidson completely redefines what a performance bagger should be. Not just luxury, not just size, but raw power, precision, and attitude. This is the peak of the CVO lineup: CVO Street Glide ST and CVO Road Glide ST. These two motorcycles are not built as ordinary touring bikes. They are true performance baggers, combining long-distance comfort with race-inspired aggression. At the heart of both machines lies the most powerful engine Harley-Davidson has ever put into a production motorcycle: the Milwaukee-Eight 121 high output. With over 125 horsepower, massive torque, close to 200 Newton-meters, and razor-sharp throttle response, this engine transforms these baggers into real muscle machines. This is not power for numbers. This is power you feel the moment you twist the throttle. Let's start with the CVO Street Glide ST 2026. It carries the iconic Batwing fairing, but now infused with pure performance DNA. Carbon fiber details, fully adjustable Showa suspension, and premium Brembo brakes give this bike the soul of a muscle bagger. Classic Harley design, aggressive stance, and performance that turns a touring bike into a street-dominating machine. Now, meet its more aerodynamic sibling, the CVO Road Glide ST 2026. The shark nose fairing is not just about looks, it is engineered for maximum stability at high speeds. On straight roads, it feels planted. At high speed, it stays calm. In fast corners, it delivers superior control. The Road Glide ST is built for riders who prioritize precision, stability, and confidence when pushing a big bagger to its limits. For 2026, both models come fully loaded with advanced technology. Multiple riding modes including track mode, cornering ABS, advanced traction control, and a premium CVO infotainment system. So these bikes are not only fast, they are smart, safe, and incredibly capable for long-distance touring. The Street Glide ST 2026 is about classic aggression. The Road Glide ST 2026 is about aerodynamic dominance. Same engine, same performance level, same exclusivity. Only the character is different. In 2026, Harley-Davidson didn't just make CVO more luxurious, they made it more brutal. The CVO Street Glide ST and CVO Road Glide ST prove that a bagger can be comfortable, powerful, and adrenaline-filled at the same time. These are not just touring motorcycles, they are the ultimate performance baggers of 2026.